Welcome to my today's cooking. Right now, today I want to make chin chin, Nigerian chin chin. So follow me. Hello everybody, follow me. How I do it, learn. First of all, this is the bowl. This is the flour. This is water, cold water. This is cooking oil. This is an egg and salt. This is salt, baking powder, vanilla flavor, and fresh milk. And this one is butter. So use a measurement cup. Use a measurement cup and take the size of flour you want. Depends on quantity of chin chin you want to make. Now I am taking two. I'm taking two of these. Measure it with these. Sugar. You whisk, you turn it, you mix everything, all the dried ingredients together. Yeah, you can see. You can see until you make a dough. Until you make a dough, you can see it's a dough. You put it in a room temperature for 30 minutes before you now bring it out to roll it. Yeah, welcome back. Now we are going to do our rolling board. We cut it. This is our rolling board. I've already put this and rubbing it already with flour. You rub it so that it will be sticky. Remember, this is the dough. We put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So it's now time to do what? Time to roll it and make the chin chin into cubes. Or you can make it into your desired shape. Into your desired shape. Now it's time to cut it into cubes. We cut it into. Yeah, we are done cutting. It's now frying time. It's time to fry it. See, it's time to fry it. Another one is by the side, the one I started before. Yeah, it's time to fry it, guys. Frying time. We are now about to fry the chin chin. You put your cooking oil. Yes, now we are back to fry it. You know, I pick it up from the where I slice it and put it here. So I separated it from the flour. First of all, before I use flour in order for it not to be sticky into together. Now I separated it from with another bowl, because if I pour it with the flour, it will make it to have foam. The oil will be foaming. So I separated it here. Down and frying. You pour it here little by little. As you can see, it's frying. It's frying. Remember, you have to take it out in your desired color. You want it golden brown, you want it darker, you want it lighter, you remove it when you want. But me, I want my own golden brown, so I'm going to remove it when it's golden brown. Yes, you see. Right, let's shake our chin. You see, golden brown. It's time to take it out. Let's shake it and see. You can see the shape of this one. You can see the shape. The shape is totally different from the first one. Yeah, you can see. You can make it in any your desired shape, the way you want it. There are many other shapes. Depends on the way you want it. This is a yummy chin. If you're not a Nigerian, you can learn this. It's a snacks, very nice. Yes, it's a snacks, very nice. You can have it with your chilled cold drink or juice. Yes. Hello, my beautiful family, my beautiful friends over there, Facebook family, YouTubers. You can see that the chin is ready to eat. I have different colors and I have different shapes. The shapes here are different, so you can choose the type you want, the one you prefer, your best among the colors and the shapes. Yeah. Yes, we are done. If you're not a Nigerian, you can learn how to make chin from here. Comment, share, subscribe, put your notification button to know when I'm live or when I put an update. Comment anything you want to learn from me. Comment what you don't understand here. Comment. Yes, love you guys for watching. Cheese, love you. It's time to eat in yummy chin. Bye.